Testimony to the architectural and artistic marvelance, standing tall is the spectacular monument, the Qutub Minar. Qutub Minar is considered to be the Tower of Victory, as it supposedly marks the end of rule by the last Hindu kingdom by the defeat of the last Hindu ruler, Prithviraj Chauhan. It is one of the tallest monuments in Asia and the tallest brick minaret in the world at 72.5 meters. The diameter of Qutub Minar is 14.32 meters at the base and 2.75 meters at the top. This architectural wonder features beautiful carvings and intricate designs on marble and red sandstone. This minaret lies at the site of Delhi's oldest fortified city, Lal Kot, founded by the Tomar Rajputs. It is located in the Mehrauli area of South Delhi, India. This five-storied building was built between 1199 and 1220. The first three stories of Qutub Minar are made of red sandstone, and the last two are made of marble and sandstone. There are a total of 397 spiral steps across 5 distinct stories, each featuring a balcony supported by intricate brackets. It is said that the construction of the Qutub Minar was planned and financed by the Ghurids, who emigrated to India and brought Islam with them. It was added to the list of World Heritage Site by UNESCO in 1993. This Victory Tower is a symbol of the synthesis of traditional Islamic architecture and Southwestern Asian design. The architecture of the minaret varies greatly from that of the typical style and design of the mosques constructed in the Middle East. The style of these structures is heavily influenced by the local architecture, such as the Indic temples. The Qutub Minar is seen as the earliest and best example of a fusion or synthesis of Hindu-Muslim traditions. Like many mosques built in South Asia during this time period, the minaret was constructed by Hindu laborers and craftsmen, but overseen by Muslim architects. It is usually thought that the tower is named for Qutubuddin Aibak, first ruler of the Delhi Sultanate who began it. It was actually built in 3 stages by 3 rulers of Delhi. Qutubuddin Aibak built one story, followed by his successor Shamsuddin Illtutmish, who built 3 stories more. The top floor of the minar was destructed by the lightning and rebuilt by Firoz Shah Tughlaq. The Qutub Minar is surrounded by several great historical monuments, and all of them together are referred to as Qutub Complex. The complex includes Iron Pillar of Delhi, quwwat-ul-islam mosque, alai darwaza, the tomb of illtutmish, alai minar, Alauddin's madrasa and tomb, the tomb of Imam Zameen, Major Smith's cupola, and Sanderson's sundial. Quwwat-ul-Islam Mosque to the northeast of the Minar was built by Qutubuddin Aibak in 1198 AD. It is noted to be the first mosque built in India. The name of this mosque translates to the Might of Islam Mosque in English. It consists of a rectangular courtyard enclosed by cloisters, erected with the carved columns and architectural members of 27 Jain and Hindu temples, which were demolished by Qutubuddin Aibak as recorded in his own inscription on the main eastern entrance. The iron pillar in the Qutub Complex bears an inscription in Sanskrit and Brahmi script of Gupta era of 4th century AD, according to which the pillar was set up as a Vishnu Dhwaja, which is considered to be the standard of God Vishnu, on the hill known as Vishnupada, in memory of a mighty king named Chandra. The most astonishing fact about this iron pillar is that it is still rust free after more than 2000 years. It is a metallurgical wonder and a testament to the knowledge and skill of India's ancient ironsmiths. The corrosion resistance results from an even layer of crystalline iron hydrogen phosphate hydrate forming on the high phosphorus content iron, which serves to protect it from the effects of Delhi climate. The 6.5 ton pillar, that is around 7.3 meters tall, originally bore an image of Garud, the eagle mount of Lord Vishnu, to whom it was dedicated by Chandragupta II. In 1505, an earthquake damaged Qutub Minar. It was repaired by Sikandar Lodi. Again, on September 1, 1803, a major earthquake caused serious damage. Major Robert Smith of the British Indian Army renovated the tower in 1828 and installed a pillared cupola over the fifth story, creating a sixth. However, the cupola was taken down in 1848. It was reinstalled at ground level to the east of Qutub Minar, where it remains. This is known as Smith's Folly. Before 1974, the general public was allowed to access the top of the Minar. On December 4, 1981, 45 people were killed in a stampede that followed an electricity failure that plunged the tower staircase into darkness. Consequently, public access to the inside of the tower has been banned. Alauddin Khilji aimed to build a second tower, exactly like the Qutub Minar, but twice as high. At the time of his death, the tower had reached 27 meters, and no one agreed to continue his over-ambitious project. The incomplete tower stands to the north of the Qutub Minar and the mosque. What is the name of this tower? If you know, let us know in the comment section below. Veteran actor and director Devanand wanted to shoot a song in Qutub Minar. However, the cameras used did not fit in the narrow alleyways, leading him to shoot in the replica of the minaret. Can you identify the song and the female actor? Let us know in the comment section below. Indian history and culture is interesting, intriguing, and vast. Let's know it, share it, and appreciate it. Would soon be back with more. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Have a great day. Bye bye.